Hey students and families, I'm going to give you a sneak peek into what is in your December bag. So make sure you go on Thursday to your homeschool to pick it up. If you can't make it on Thursday, give your homeschool a call and schedule a meeting for Friday. So make sure you go grab a bag that looks like this. It'll have your child's name on it, grade, and teacher. So the first thing that you'll find in your December bag is something that looks like this. It's got some books in it. These are just right books for your child. These are the kinds of books that your child should be reading right now. Sometimes I'm finding that kids maybe don't have just right books at home, or the books they're reading in their video to me is way too hard or way too easy. These are the kinds of books that they need to be reading on their own right now. So I would suggest putting these in the reading pouch that I gave earlier this year. It's this little plastic container. I would put all these books in there, or put them somewhere that your kiddo is not going to lose them, because it takes forever to make all of these books. All right, the next thing that you're going to find in your December bag is a yellow or a green folder that looks like this. Hopefully this will serve as another way to keep your kiddo organized with all of their stuff. So inside, on one side, is the Zern Papers. These are things that your kid is going to be using when they do their Zern lessons. So they will open it up, and the pages look like this. I'm showing you this because they need to work on this paper whenever in Zern it'll say, get your student notes papers. Well, they're going to grab this and turn to the page that has the lesson number at the top. Okay, so that's important. I also put in a writing notebook in there. Okay, I recommend kids using notebooks that have lines like this. We don't want students writing in notebooks like this. We don't want them practicing handwriting in these kinds of lines. They'll start writing in this kind of stuff in 2nd and 3rd grade. Right now, we want kids writing in notebooks like the one that I sent, or the one that they already have, that blue one that has the same kind of lines. Those are the kinds of lines I want them to be using. So this should only be used for writing, not math, nothing else, just writing. All right, then you'll see holidays around the world. We're gonna learn about different holidays. That's in there. And then there's also 2 manila folders and 2 pieces of paper that look like this. These are going to be used for social studies. We're going to start an economics unit soon. So all the things that are in the left side of that yellow or green folder, those are all things that your kid's going to need and they have to keep. Don't lose them. So I would just keep it in this folder on the left side. All right? Okay. On the right side, these are all just fun things that your kid can do. They don't have to be turned in. None of this stuff has to be turned in. But these papers, they don't even need to show in a video or anything. They're just extra stuff. So I'll go through them real quick. We have Tangy Tuesday and Wordy Wednesday problems. You're probably going to have to help your kid with some of these. You're going to have to help read the directions a little bit. But once they figure out and get the hang of it, the next few times they do a Tangy Tuesday packet or a Wordy Wednesday packet, they probably won't need as much support. I would do that in the classroom too. So anyways, there's 2 Tangy Tuesday packets and 2 Wordy Wednesday packets. Why do I give you guys these? Because these are really good for practicing critical thinking, problem solving, and the kids really have to apply their number sense skills for these puzzles. So I recommend, if your kid gets done early, they need to do those. This has a packet just of some like practicing spelling, practicing writing, identifying vowel sounds. So this is just kind of some extra work that your kid can do if they finish early. Lastly, I put in a lot of games, especially since winter break is coming up. So in this games packet, there are tons of math games, and there are also a couple of phonics and phonemic awareness games. So I recommend those are another option if your kid gets done early with work. All right, the last thing that is in your November or December packet, oh, sorry, 2 more things, I know. The second to last thing is your STEM journal, and inside are all kinds of goodies that we're going to use for our STEM challenges in December. Put that in a safe place. Don't let your kid open it yet. All right, and then the last thing is we have some holiday crafts because we have lots of holidays in December. So your kid will have either a folder or a baggie that has 3 3 different sets of paper. We're going to decorate an ornament that you can put on your tree. And then there's 2 crafts, one with a nutcracker and one with a Santa. We're going to do these together, so please refrain from letting your kids start on them now. All right, I know that is a lot of stuff, but I'm trying to load you guys up so you have plenty of things for the month of December and a couple of things maybe that can be done throughout winter break. Let me know if you have any questions at all. Please be sure to pick up your stuff on Thursday, and I will see you all soon. Bye.